Welcome to Thermofax Thursdays. Today I'm going to talk about using the Neo Art 2 Caran d'Ache watercolor wax pastels. They're super cool to use in lots of different ways. I love using them in my art journals. They are permanent on fabric, which is really awesome for us textile people. Plus they're just fun to use. So it's really, when you're using them, you just kind of color. And then you can wet them and then smear them around. I don't have any water here. Oh, hold on, baby wipe. Nothing like an impromptu on camera. See how you can smear them around? They're just awesome. So, today I'm going to use it with a Thermofax screen. So I'm just going to color on the screen. And with these, it doesn't look like a lot of pigment is going down, but it is. I'm going to do a couple different colors. I'm just being a little bit random here. And underneath I have a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to do it, pull the first screen on cardstock so that you can, because it takes a minute for it to, well, you'll see, to loosen up. I know this is the boring part, watching me color. I really don't have a plan in mind. I'm just kind of mixing these colors in here a little bit. You definitely want to be doing this on the top part of the screen, not on the reverse. Remember, the reverse of your screen has is very smooth, and this has the screen part, so you can hear it scratchy. All right, so I have my screen colored in, and where we're going is this. So this is one I did the other day just to kind of show you guys how it would work, and you can get a couple pulls from each one. So what I have here is matte medium. On this one I used a gel medium, so it's a little stiffer. This one I'm going to demo with a matte medium. It should work a little bit faster. And we're going to pull like a regular screen. Take your card, hold it at the top, and pull down with a decent amount of pressure. Now, this first one will be pretty light. See if you can see, it's very light because we're using the liquid in the medium to kind of melt the water-soluble pastels. So then we can do a couple more pulls. I think I have enough here. You can see it's getting brighter already. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. Probably would have been cooler too if I'd actually planned where my colors were going, but I can only do so much planning when I'm on camera. And what's nice is that you can get a limited run. So there's another one, and then we can probably get one more. And the colors start mixing. That looks pretty good. So we've got 3 out of 1 Neo Art 2 water-soluble wax pastels. There is just Neo Art wax pastels that are not water-soluble, so make sure you get them. It's harder to find the big ones. Usually they come in a smaller package that look more like traditional crayon size. I love them so much I buy the big ones. All right, I hope you have fun trying this technique.